Okay, so just feel around. If anything's like really acutely painful, just let me know.
The irony is that I've got the injuries on this side of my neck, and yet my left side of my neck is the one that tightens up all the time.
Okay.
So it must be compensating or something.
Yeah.
Strange.
It's tight as shit through here.
Yeah, it's tight as, yeah.
Coming into here. All through here is tight, really.
Yeah.
But that almost is one of the worst right there.
Yeah.
Would you say so?
Yeah.
Okay, so I call that the outer thumb band, I think.
And when the nerve was really discomfort, I was getting obviously pain into right down to this finger, these two fingers, and the thumb, and it would come up to the forearm, as well. But it's sort of subsided now. Now I've just got the numbness there.
Yeah. Okay. And just for the camera, can you tell us I know you mentioned it to me before, but just
so I was lifting a really large weight in the garage, and I was lifting it awkwardly, and I lifted the weight that was in a crate onto my knees, and I bent forward, and at the time I had to then wrench the weight up, and I thought, I'm nowhere near as strong as I was when I was younger, and I didn't feel it, but the next day I woke up with severe pain in my right shoulder blade. And the pain was that bad I couldn't sleep. So it was like 4 weeks of no sleep.
4 weeks.
Panadine 4 didn't do anything. And the only thing that stopped it was Lyrica, which was for nerve pain. It took about 2 weeks to discover that.
Is that a homeopathic remedy?
No, it's pharmaceutical. I tried natural things. And
a lot of the natural things for pain aren't that good, except kava. Kava's quite good. But I found that with tea from its natural ones aren't working very well. All right. So what I'm feeling is that this is one of your worst of the band. So this is your outer thumb band coming through here. So, and I can, all of this confirms it's all very tight in here. Make sure.
So I tried physio, I tried massage, obviously the restrictions through COVID. Trying to improve the situation. Tried traction. From physio, they put you in traction and they stretch out the neck joint. And now I've kind of just been left with this weakness in the chest.
And whereabouts in your chest? Is it up here?
So through here, if I use a power tool or try and dig, this goes into spasm. And if I try and lift with the right arm, the lats go into spasm.
That's where I'm feeling it's the worst. Now, with this, just let me know if it's, I don't want it to be, like if a 10 is where you're going to tighten up, I don't want obviously starting off at 7s and 8s, going up to 9s and 10s, but not over.
Not over.
I don't want you to be overwhelming. So you just get into a nice rhythm of breath. And being so tight that, it could be sore. How's that pressure for you out of 10?
It's about a 6.
Okay.
Eight.
Okay. Just keep it at that for a little while. I'll let you just breathe into that. I'll just change the sort of angle of the tool a little bit. spare then. You don't want a bit of pink nail polish or anything?
Pity it doesn't match.
How's that pressure out of time?
7.
Okay. Put a crunch in that joint.
Yeah.
Must be going a bit senile myself. I was thinking it was the outer thumb band. I don't even know my own names, my own bands. It's the inner thumb band. I never good with names. I was like just thinking about it. I go, wait a minute, this is it. It's been a little while.
Is it?
Yeah. Just let go.
Yep.
Letting go, but don't let go. Doing well with your breath, that's great.
I forgot that was what I was like.